Northshore Primary will open a year later in 2021 as the Education Ministry expects low demand for places next year.
MOE told CNA that the school, located in the new Punggol North estate, can take up to about 240 Primary 1 students. But it won't be accepting students yet, as residents are expected to move into the area only in the later part of 2020.
MOE has also said that the number of applicants for its kindergarten at Northshore Primary was insufficient to open a class, and affected parents have opted to move their children to its kindergarten at Punggol Cove Primary.
Punggol Cove will also house students from the nearby Valor Primary's first cohort in the first term, as Valor Primary has run into construction delays, but both schools will conduct lessons independently.
Registration for children starting Primary 1 next year, that will open from the 3rd of July to the end of October. Under a change to rules this year, only one parent will need to make a statutory declaration to register their child when using a caregiver's address.
Previously, the parent and the caregiver were needed to make the declaration at MOE. The address is used to determine the home-to-school distance when considering admission priority.